Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the name of your personal hotspot on your iPhone. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, when you click on the settings option here and when you go to the personal hotspot section, here you will be able to see the option to change the password, but you don't have the option to change the name. So you can't change the name from this section. The only way to change the name of your personal hotspot is to change the name of your device itself. And to change the name of your device, you need to scroll down a little and here you will be able to see the general section. So click on general and then click on about here, and when you click on about you will be able to see the first option, which is the name of your device, which is iPhone in my case. Now I can change this name to anything. For example, I can change to some other name, and from now on when I click on done here, from now on the device name will be the new name. And then when you create a hotspot, so let me create a hotspot, let me enable this hotspot, and when you create this hotspot you can see the name of the device is now the new name, which is code bind, which I have given, and the password will be the password which you choose, right? So this is how you can change the name of your hotspot on your iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.